So guys, I just made it back to Slow Lane Customs. Here's the car. I'm gonna change the bulb in. I got my bulbs, and we're gonna replace this bulb right here. We're gonna replace this one. This one's out. I'm gonna show you here in a little bit. And since these are LEDs, I'm gonna go ahead and replace both of them. But it's an easy process. Before I get to doing this, I'm gonna show you like a little before and after, so y'all can see the difference of how it's gonna look after I get done. You know what I'm saying? As you see, I'm gonna be replacing this one with the LED bulb also, and this one's the one that's out. You see? So I was like, switch a bulb. I was like, might as well give it a little custom look to it, you know. So I decided to go LED. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Stay tuned so y'all can see the finished little process. As you can see right here, we got these little bolts here. We're gonna use our 8mm socket and just unscrew it. All you got is what? Probably like 4 little bolts you gotta take off. Easy, man, easy fix. You probably could do this on the side of the road if you had to, like in case, you know. Yeah. Alright guys, so once you take them bolts off, all you really want to do is kind of pull this little flat back a little bit. And you'll be able to reach your bulb right here. You can see in there is that top one right there. This right here is what we're going to take off. Boom, there goes our bulb. So guys, y'all won't believe what happened. So my dumb ass got the wrong bulb. Supposed to look like this, and this is what I got. But the funny part is, I asked the guy before I left. I was like, hey man, I just did some research, and I think this is the size of the bulb. Can you double check? He said, yeah. So that's what we did, but apparently it's not. So I guess I'm gonna head back to the parts store and change it. You know, swap it, see if I get one like that or something. If I can just get one, it will work. I don't care if it's amber or LED to this point, because it's too hot for all that. But yeah, I'm finna head to the parts store, so take y'all with me. So guys, as y'all can see, I just made it to the parts store. Let's go see what they tell us about these bulbs. See, can we replace them and get the ones we need. Here we got these bulbs earlier, and it's the wrong one. It's supposed to be like this. Yeah, I took it apart trying to see what it was.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad I didn't break it.
No,
it was already broke.
Yeah.
I done seen something like that before. What's that going in?
On a 2018 Jeep Compass. Cause that connection down there ain't nothing similar to this one, ain't it?
What? Yeah, but it was showing that for the daytime running light. But this looks like a daytime running light. That's normally a turn signal or whatever. But in the system, it was showing that.
Yeah.
As what you were looking for.
I'll just set this. See if I can find something.
I bet they're calling it a fog light.
Probably.
I bet that's what it is. Is it a latitude, a sport?
Sport, I would say. You don't think it's one of these?
2504.
Yeah, that's what I got. I just take this one. It looks like I'll get
When
some.
I go to headlights, and it actually shows me a 2504.
For real?
I went to headlights along with daytime running lights. When I just went to daytime running lights, it showed me.
Showing this. Yeah, that's the same thing I did. That's weird.
Yes, I don't know about these computers sometimes.
So guys, I guess I finally got the right bulb supposedly. So let's go try it out. I'll catch y'all when I get home. The sun's too bright. Oh, I finally made it slow lane customs. Time to install this. Get it over with. The seat got me overheated. It's okay though. Gotta stay positive, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. I went from trying to install 2 bulbs to installing 1 because the other 2 were cheaper than this. This was close to $30, man. And the set I bought at first was like $10 more just for 1. But I'm gonna install it. I don't want my sister to get pulled over, get a ticket for having a bulb out, so let me get it done. So guys, all we really gotta do is just plug and play. Move that little back over there. Ooh, a little dusty. All right, where the little cable at? The cable right here. All right, you see this cable? As you can see, all we're gonna do is just plug and play. We're gonna plug it in. The best part, you know, is to put it through here. Let me see. We're gonna put it where it belongs. Ooh. Ooh, a little feisty little one. Alright. This should just fit perfectly. There it goes. No. It's just supposed to clip on, guys. So all you're gonna do, guys, just put the bulb right here. It's supposed to clip. I'll show y'all. Excuse. There it goes. Boom. You see that? And then you would just plug and play. There you go. Plug and play. And boom. You put this back how it's supposed to go. You gotta hide it right here somewhere. You know. Right there. Right there. This one right there. Boom. And then I'm just gonna put all this stuff back. Woo, it's hot. Yep. Marco fixed the problem. Bulb works. Dang. The reason why it looks like that, guys, because of the sun. But it just sucks I couldn't do the LED swap. But it's okay though. Now I know the size of the bulb, so in the future, I'll just order them off of eBay or Amazon, and boom, I have the whole LED swap thing next time. But yeah, stay tuned for future videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It really helps a lot. Yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.